Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ghee biscuits, only ways. Start by chilling ghee and measuring 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 tsp salt. Cut cold ghee into the flour until coarse crumbs form, then add about 3/4 cup milk to bind. Work gently to avoid overmixing and keep biscuits light and flaky. I'll guide you through shaping and baking for perfect golden tops. Combine dry ingredients in a bowl, then cut in cold ghee until the mix looks like coarse cornmeal with pea-size bits. Pour in 3/4 cup milk gradually and fold with a spatula until it barely holds together. Turn dough onto a floured surface and pat to about 3.5 inches thick, then press straight down with a sharp cutter for taller biscuits. Keep handling minimal to preserve layers and tenderness. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more recipes and quick tips. On another note, quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you bake. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can snag a pair. I love the comfy feel while standing at the oven. Now let's get back to the video. Place cut biscuits on a hot baking sheet to help the bottoms brown and give immediate oven spring. Bake at 425 degrees F for about 12 to 15 minutes until the tops are deep golden and the centers are set. If you want extra shine, brush with melted ghee or milk before baking and rotate the pan halfway through. Let rest briefly so steam finishes the interior, then serve warm with butter or jam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.